This is Michael Goffredi, your Facebook event specialist. Most event ads on Facebook are seemingly random. The person picks an image, they pick a text, and they just go with it. I see very few event promoters out there who are systematically developing their ads the way I do. This is through a system called A/B testing that I'm going to walk you through in this video today. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you specific tips based on my observations in the market about what types of text perform best and what types of images and videos are going to grab the attention of your audience. So let's get into it. The basics of A/B testing are pretty simple, and Facebook makes it even easier for you. When you create a campaign on Facebook, you have the option to use multiple ad creatives. That means you can use multiple text, multiple images, and actually Facebook will automatically select the best performing one to deliver to your audience. You don't need to be a magician, an expert copywriter. You pretty much just need to write a few different ads, and then you're going to see which one performs best. When you see which ones are performing better, you're going to test that against new ads, continue on until you have a truly optimized ad. So let's get into this with a quick screen share. Okay, so some of you are familiar with Facebook Ads Manager at this point. Pretty much when you want to create an ad, you go here. And of course, for this example here, we are going to select the event response campaign, something like that. As you can see here, you have my campaign level. You have one ad set where we go over the targeting. Of course, I went over that in previous videos, and I will go into more detail about that in future videos. But for now, we are looking at the ad. As you can see here, I have multiple ads. So all of these ads are working within the same budget, and Facebook is going to automatically allocate your ad spend to the one that's performing best. So in this case, let's take a look at which one did best. You can see that this ad has a short text, bright colors, and does not repeat information. And that is one of the biggest things I want to go over with you today. A big advantage you have in the event response campaign is that a lot of your information shows up right here in the title of the event. I can't tell you how many people waste space in their ad talking about the date, the time, and the name of the event, when the date, the time, and the name of the event are all right here in the ad. So that's my big suggestion to you. Do not repeat information. As I promised before, I'm going to give you specific tips on how you can optimize your ad. Of course, you need to A/B test. You need to try longer text, shorter text, more detailed, less detailed, etc. In my personal experience creating hundreds of ads for hundreds of events on Facebook, I have found that short text is what performs best. So in this case, you can see the winner of many of my A/B tests was a simple one-liner here. Barcelona's most famous party. About images and videos, the important things you need to understand. Images that have contrasting colors to Facebook's platform, in other words, blue and white, are going to stand out. In this particular image, I have some bright colors that stand out. It is also important that your video catch people's attention in the first 3 seconds. That is what's going to determine whether they watch more or less of the video. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, use emojis. Emojis are one of the greatest things given to an online marketer. What it enables you to do is by using bright colors and representative things, it enables people to process information faster, get bright colors that are going to stand out from Facebook. It really just makes your text stand out. So always use emojis. Even if it's a serious event, there's always a way to do it. Find a way. You have the checkbox, you have the arrow if you want to do conservative. If you want to go a little more adventurous, you can use these fire emojis and just play with it. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. If you liked it, leave a comment, share with a friend. And again, this is Michael Goffredi, your Facebook event specialist, and I'll see you next time.